We start a basic shimmy by pulling down one thigh and pushing up with the back of the other leg. So every time you push up the back on one side, you pull down on the front on the other. So your goal is that your hips are moving straight up and down without moving out to the side. So that this point in the middle is not moving. Remember to keep your feet aligned so that your toes are pointing straight forward, knees are pointing straight forward, right over the middle of the foot. Pelvis is pulled till it's neutral. Abs are pulled in. Chest is neutral. That means your back is relaxed and you're breathing across your lower ribs. Neck is long, head high, shoulders down. We're counting quarter time, which means that every time, beat, 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 beat. Every time you hear a beat, your one hip or the other is hitting upwards to the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half time, so that one hip is hitting to the beat, beat, beat. And full time. Beat and 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 beat. Shake out. Let's see how that looks from the side. So again, we're making our toes point straight forward. We're using muscles way up in the tops of our legs to align our ankles over the middle of the foot. We're bending the knees, and again, we're using muscles that go down the sides of the thighs to align the knee over the middle of the foot. You're using muscles that go from your knee through your inner thigh and attach up at your tailbone to align your pelvis so that it's neutral. You're pulling your abs in and up. And you're working muscles that go over your rib cage so that the front of your ribs is right over the front of your pelvis. And the back of your ribs is right over the back of your pelvis and not back here. Neutral chest. We're pushing up the back of the leg into the hip to move the hips up and down. And at the same time, every time the left leg is pushing the hip up, the right leg from the knee is pulling the opposite hip down. Head high, shoulders down, chest neutral, abs in, pelvis neutral, knees aligned right over the middle of the foot, feet parallel, toes pointing straight forward. Half time.